Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to install unknown apps in Windows. The first thing you have to do is open up the settings by pressing the Windows key and the I key, and then from there you navigate. Let me show you how I got here. Navigate to, not search, sorry, navigate to apps, and from apps you can see where it says choose where to get apps, choose anywhere. Now once you've done that, this is it, anywhere, that is it. Now you must note something. There are security risks involved with doing this actually, because installing apps from sources that are not from Microsoft Store can increase the risk of installing malware or potentially harmful software. Also, always download apps from trusted sources and be vigilant for potential security threats. If you want to revert these settings and simply return back to apps, click on advanced settings again, advanced app setting, and then change this from anywhere to Microsoft only, which is the recommended one. So by following these steps, you can allow Windows to install apps from Microsoft Store and other sources too. However, it is crucial to understand the risks involved and exercise extreme caution when installing apps from unknown sources. I recommend only installing apps from sources you trust, such as official websites or reputable downloaded portals. Installing apps from unknown sources can pose security risks to your computer. So please, I hope you found this video helpful, and please be very cautious while doing this. Thanks for watching.